Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English practice channel. Today, we will practice shadowing English. Shadowing means you listen to me and then you repeat after me. I will speak slowly. You will copy my words. This will help you improve your listening, speaking, and pronunciation. Are you ready? Let's begin. 1. Warm-up. Greetings and basics. Hello. How are you? I am fine. What is your name? My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. How old are you? I am 20 years old. Where are you from? I am from India. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak a little English. 2. Daily activities. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study English every day. I come home in the evening. I eat dinner with my family. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. 3. Small talk practice. How was your day? It was good. What did you do today? I went to the market. I bought some fruits. I talked to my friend. We drank tea together. The weather was nice. It was sunny and warm. 4. Short story. The park. Yesterday, I went to the park. The park was very beautiful. I saw many children playing. Some children were running. Some children were playing football. I sat on a bench. I listened to the birds. The air was fresh. I felt very happy. 5. Short story. At the shop. I went to the shop. I wanted to buy bread. I said, "Hello." The shopkeeper said, "Hello." I asked, "How much is this bread?" He said, "It is 20 rupees." I gave him the money. He gave me the bread. I said, "Thank you." He said, "You are welcome." 6. Practice sentences. For fluency. I can speak English. I am learning every day. English is not difficult. Practice makes me better. I listen. I repeat. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. I feel more confident. I will improve. Great job today. You practiced English for 20 minutes. That is amazing. Remember, if you practice every day, your English will get better. Keep shadowing, keep learning, and keep smiling. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this practice, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Wave.